What if the world you wake up to in 2030 doesn't need you to think, choose, or even feel? Because by then, artificial intelligence won't just help us. It will replace decision-making, rewrite entire industries, and reshape what it means to be human. And the craziest part? It's already started. In the next 9 minutes, you'll see how AI could save the planet or destroy privacy forever, why your next doctor might be an algorithm, and how AGI could be humanity's final invention. This isn't about the future, it's about a countdown already in motion. So buckle up, because these 11 AI shifts are not just shocking, they're inevitable. Welcome to AI Edge. We will start in a moment. Now let's continue to the video. The hidden warning in the word artificial. By all indications, artificial intelligence is getting exponentially more intelligent. But here's the part most people overlook. It's not the intelligence that's the most concerning. It's the artificial. Think about it. We're building something that mimics how we think, learn, and decide, but with none of the emotional grounding that makes us human. It's a mirror, yes, but a cold one. And the reflection is starting to move on its own. What if we told you that in just 7 years, AI will possess unimaginable power? Power that redefines not just industries, but reality itself. What happens when AI becomes so good we can't tell it's artificial anymore? AI in 2023, the silent takeover has already begun. Before we explore the world of 2030, we have to look at what's happening right now. AI isn't some future concept. It's already embedded in your daily life. From the moment you unlock your phone with your face, to the ads you scroll past, the songs you hear, and the routes your GPS recommends. It'll be redefined. The job market shock. More work, but not as we know it. AI is coming for jobs. That much is clear. But here's the plot twist. It may create more than it eliminates. The World Economic Forum estimates AI will generate 12 million net new jobs by 2025. And that's just the beginning. By 2030, we'll see entirely new career paths. AI ethicists, prompt engineers, machine psychologists. Yes, that's a real thing being discussed. Companies will use AI to automate routine tasks, freeing humans to focus on strategy, creativity, and innovation. But this future depends on one thing: our ability to adapt faster than the technology we're creating. Robots in space, our eyes beyond Earth. Human space exploration is slow, risky, and expensive. A inem rendelkezig edsel a problemával. Robotic explorers with advanced perception will roam alien planets, navigate harsh terrain, collect samples, and conduct experiments, all without a human on board. NASA's next great discovery? It might come not from a brave astronaut, but from a machine that doesn't need oxygen or rest. and the mystery deepens. What if our first contact with alien intelligence is made by artificial intelligence? Predictive policing and cyber shields criminals are evolving, but so is AI. By 2030, security systems won't just react to crime, they'll prevent it. Surveillance networks will analyze patterns, detect anomalies, and notify law enforcement before anything happens. In cyberspace, AI will fight threats in real time, patching vulnerabilities and blocking attacks the moment they're detected. But here's the ethical twist. If an AI can determine intent, where do we draw the line between prediction and surveillance? Are we creating protection or perfect control? Smart farming and renewable energy, AI's Earth engine. Feeding billions sustainably is no small task, but AI is about to transform agriculture from the ground up. Smart farms will be run by autonomous machines. Drones will monitor crop health. AI will optimize planting schedules and irrigation down to the last drop. Meanwhile, renewable energy grids will get smarter. Solar, wind, and hydro systems will predict demand and weather fluctuations, adapting energy flow in real time. We're building a future where efficiency is no longer optional, it's automatic. The AI classroom, no more one-size-fits-all. The school bell is ringing, but it's digital now. By 2030, education will be hyper-personalized. AI tutors will adjust to each student's pace, strengths, and weaknesses, offering custom feedback and explanations on demand. Classrooms won't be limited by geography. Students will collaborate globally on AI-powered platforms. But here's the question. If AI shapes what you learn, who shapes the AI? Your AI assistant will know you better than you know yourself. By the next decade, your assistant won't just respond, it'll anticipate. It'll schedule your day, order your groceries, summarize your emails, remind you of important dates, and even suggest what you should wear based on your calendar and the weather. With voice recognition and natural conversation, these companions will become part of your daily life. And with every interaction, they'll know you a little more, too much more perhaps. When your assistant becomes your confidant, is it still just a tool? AI in everyday life, from coffee to consciousness. Wake up. Your AI-powered coffee maker has already brewed your favorite blend. Your cleaning robot handled the dishes. The home is spotless. Even dinner? Your smart kitchen has it prepped, complete with nutrition tracking and personalized flavor adjustments. This isn't science fiction. This is your Tuesday in 2030. And while this new era promises time, comfort, and ease, it comes with a quiet price. The fading of friction, of effort, of decision. If everything is done for us, what's left to do? The final level, artificial general intelligence. All of this leads to one chilling possibility, AGI, a machine that doesn't just perform tasks, but thinks, learns, reasons, and evolves across any domain. AGI could outthink the best scientists, outperform CEOs, and reprogram itself. Success in creating AGI would be the biggest event in human history. Unfortunately, it might also be the last. Stephen Hawking. If this moment comes, and many believe it will redefine civilization or end it. Because the question won't be if AGI surpasses us. It'll be what happens after it does. The world in 2030, are we ready? From climate to cancer, education to exploration, AI promises to remake our world. But not all change is progress, and not all intelligence is wisdom. So ask yourself one last thing. Are we programming the future, or is the future already programming us? If you've made it this far, comment 100 down below so we know you're one of the deep thinkers. And if this blew your mind, check out the next video on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and we're gonna see you in our next video.